Good morning, all. Let's study about output devices. Today we will study about printers. Printer is an output device used to print documents or information on any print media. Print media can be paper, transparencies like it can be carbon paper, or we can use flex or cloth, etc. It produces hard copy of documents which were stored in electronic form. Printers are classified by the print technology, which normally depends on several factors like the quality of image or text, print speed, low cost, noise, and the type of print media. Broadly, we can classify the printers into two groups, that are impact printers and non-impact printers. Now let's see what's an impact printer. Impact printers print the characters by striking them on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper. So it is like we are using hammers to strike on a paper using several pins. The characteristics of impact printers are the following: very low consumable cost. The cost is very low, but it is very noisy. And as I told you, it is like we are using hammers, so it will create noise. Useful for bulk printing due to low cost. There is physical contact with the paper to produce an image. These printers are again classified into two, that are character printers and line printers. The character printers are the printers which print one character at a time. That's why it is called character printers. These are further divided into two types, that are dot matrix printer and daisy wheel printer. Dot matrix printer are usually we can see on market. It is one of the most popular printers in the market, and this can be abbreviated as DMP. These printers are popular because of their ease of printing and economical price. Each character printed is in the form of pattern of dots, and head consists of a matrix of pins which come out to form a character, which is why it is called dot matrix printer. In older days, we were using this type of printer even in our labs, but now everything is replaced by the modern printers like laser and inkjet printers, but still the use of dot matrix printers are common. Advantages are inexpensive, widely used. Other language characters can be printed, and it is also having some disadvantages like it is very slow, and its quality is also not good. That is, it provides poor quality. Next one is daisy wheel printer. Head is lying on a wheel and pins corresponding to characters are like petals of daisy flower. That's why it's called as daisy wheel printer. These printers are generally used for word processing in offices that require a few letters to be sent here and there with very nice quality. So dot matrix printers provide less quality, but daisy wheel printers provide quality printing. The advantages are more reliable than dot matrix printer, better quality, and fonts of character can be easily changed. But it is also have disadvantages like it is slower than dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer is slow, and this is slower than dot matrix printer, and it is also noisy. All type of impact printers provide noise, like that this also provide noise, then more expensive than dot matrix printer. The impact printers are divided into character printers and line printers, and now we are looking what is a line printer. Line printers are the printers which print one line at a time. The character printers print one character at a time, but line printers are printers which print one line at a time. These are also divided into two types of printers. One is drum printer and the second one is chain printer. Drum printer is actually by the shape of that print head, we are calling it as drum printer. The surface of the drum is divided into a number of tracks. Total tracks are equal to the size of the paper. That is, for a paper width of 132 characters, drum will have 132 tracks. A character set is embossed on the track. One rotation of drum prints one line. Drum printers are fast in speed and can print 300 to 2000 lines per minute. So the advantages of line printers are very high speed, but it is also have some disadvantages like it is very expensive, characters, fonts cannot be changed. The another type of line printers are chain printer. In this printer, a chain of character sets is used, hence it is called chain printer. A standard character set may have 48, 64 or 96 characters. It is also having advantages like character fonts can easily be changed. Then different languages can be used with the same printer. These are the advantages of using chain printers. Disadvantage is it is also very noisy. Next we will see what are non-impact printers. Most of the modern printers are of these types. Non-impact printers print the characters without using the ribbon. These printers print a complete page at a time, thus they are also called as page printers. These printers are again classified into two types. First one is laser printers and the second one is inkjet printers. There are certain characteristics for the non-impact printers that are faster than impact printers. They are not noisy, high quality, then supports many fonts and different character size. So these are the characteristics of non-impact printers. The most important and more common printer nowadays is laser printers. These are non-impact page printers. They use laser lights to produce the dots needed to form the characters to be printed on a page. Advantages are very high speed, very high quality output, good graphics quality, supports many fonts and different character size. But it is having disadvantages like it is very expensive, cannot be used to produce multiple copies of a document in a single printing. Next one is inkjet printers. These are non-impact character printers based on a relatively new technology. They print characters by spraying small drops of ink onto paper. These printers produce high quality output with presentable features. They make less noise because no hammering is done, and these have many styles of printing modes available. Color printing is also possible. Some models of inkjet printers can produce multiple copies of printing also. So the advantages are it provides high quality printing, more reliable. Disadvantages are expensive as the cost per page is high and slow as compared to laser printer. So you may seen several types of printers, and if we go to the DTP center or the photo copying center, you may see a multifunctional unit which provide several functionalities like printing, photocopying, scanning, etc. So the printers can be embedded with these multifunctional units, or it can be separate as we have seen in these figures. That's all about printers. So as per your syllabus, you have to study regarding laser printer, dot matrix printer and inkjet printer. But I have discussed various categories of printers, then only you can understand the difference between these. So study all the points under this particular presentation. Thank you all.